Hello guys, hi, this is Vital Hatkari. I got All India 8th rank in Horticulture department in ICR JRF examinations. I am from Sri Konda Lakshman Telangana State Horticultural University, Telangana. I am here with you to share few important points regarding JRF PG examination and the books required for horticulture JRF preparation. First of all, there are two important points in our preparation. First one is syllabus and the second one is books for preparation. Syllabus, as we all know, horticulture includes sub-subjects like fruits, vegetables, floriculture, PSMA and post-harvest technology. Along with these horticultural subjects, we should also read general agriculture and current affairs related to horticulture and agriculture. Okay, while preparation, it is important to repeat. Okay, it is important to repeat and repeat to remember and remember to repeat. As most of the horticulture subject is about memorizing the things, but in recent trend, what happened means in ICAR JRF 2020 examinations, they given statement questions like giving two statements and choosing one correct statement among them. So, more than memorizing the things, it is also important to learn the concepts of the our subject. Next to books, generally as a horticulture JRF aspirant, everyone know about glasses horticulture and instant horticulture and basic horticulture. Okay, these are the basic books for any horticulture JRF preparation student. So first we should read these three books for horticulture purpose, and for general agricultural part we should read a competitive book for agriculture by Nimra Sunda. Okay, along with these books, in order to get more depth in the subject, we should read specific books for each subject. Like for fruits purpose, we should read Ready Reckoner Pomology and Fruits by Ranjit Singh, and there is one book called Basic Concepts of Fruit Science by Neeraj Pratap Singh. It is a good book for basic concepts of fruit science, so give a read. Then in the same manner for vegetables also, after completing glasses and instant vegetable part, you should read D Singh book to get more knowledge in vegetable part. In the same manner for floriculture, glasses and instant horticulture are enough, but to know more about floriculture, it is better to read books like J.S. Arora, and Handbook of Horticulture also contain good information. So give a read to Handbook of Horticulture floriculture part. Okay, after this for PSMA like plantation, spices, medicinal and aromatic crops, there is a book called Introduction to Plantation, Spices and Medicinal and Aromatic Crops by N. Kumar sir. So it is a good book. After completing glasses and instant part of the PSMA, you should read this N. Kumar book, okay, to get more information about plantation and spices. Then post harvest technology. In post harvest technology, generally everyone knows Srivastava book is there. Fruits and vegetable preservation principles and practices by R.P. Srivastava. It is a good book. So for post harvest part of the horticulture preparation, one should read this R.P. Srivastava book. Okay, along with these theory books, it is also important to read some objective books like Mission Horticulture and MCQs in horticulture by Hadda, Bharat Singh Hadda. And for fruits objective purpose, Treasure of Fruit Science is a good book, so give it a read. And after this, go for general agriculture objective also. For general agriculture objective part, there are many books. S.R. Kantwa, Muniraj books are also good. Okay, for any preparation, any exam preparation, we should have a strong reason why should we read. Okay, what is the benefit I got from cracking this JRF. Okay, you should have a strong desire, that is very important. And next, all the previous question papers and mock tests, we should attend mock tests on everyday basis. Okay, not a full of 120 questions, but every day you should try to attempt some questions. Then involve in WhatsApp group discussions. Okay, where all over India the students are involved in WhatsApp group discussions, so we will get good knowledge there. It is helpful in remembering the things. And for current affairs part, you should read NHB data. Okay, that's all. Okay, bye, thank you.